Hello everyone, it's Charlie Patrice, and if you are new here, welcome. Today I'll be showing you how I installed this gorgeous bob, so keep on watching. This wig is from Luvme Hair. I received their 10-inch minimalistic lace bob wig. So here I'm showing you how everything looked when I first received it. As soon as I started examining the wig, I noticed that basically everything is already done for you. The knots are lightly bleached. The hairline is pre-plucked and very natural looking. Here I'm showing you the lace and how well it blends in with my skin. Okay, so now let's move on to construction. So here I'm showing you that you only have 1 inch of lace going from ear to ear in the front, and then where the parting area is at, it goes back about 5 inches and it's about 1 inch wide. And then the rest of the wig is constructed with wefts. You also have an elastic band in the inside, adjustable straps, and 3 combs. So the first thing I'm going to do is try on the wig. So as you can see, the wig looking very natural, and I didn't have to do anything to it. The only thing I did was put it on. As you can see, I'm playing with this wig, and when I pushed that left side behind my ear, it did something to me. I think it looks so cute. Okay, so now I'm about to prepare for the install, and all I'm going to do is take my scissors and cut the lace down the middle, and then I'm going to take my pinking shears and get as close as I could to the hairline, and I'm going to cut straight across. So I get a lot of questions every time I use these scissors. I will have a link down below in the description bar if you want to pick them up, but these are the only type of scissors I use to cut my lace because you create this zigzag pattern, and I can just cut straight across and I don't have to worry about like a harsh straight line in my lace. So now I'm applying the wig and adjusting it to my liking. Look at the lace disappear once I start laying it down. Their new upgraded 2.0 hairline make this wig look very realistic and easy to apply. So the wig was a little too long on one side, but that's okay. It's an easy fix. All you have to do is take your comb and then part and section off the extra lace that's by your ears. Then take your scissors and cut off that extra lace, and that's it. So I'm examining the wig, looking at how cute it is. It's very natural looking. It's giving a classic everyday bob look, like the typical bob. So I will be wearing this unit glueless, so I like to use gel. I have got to be gel inside of this container. So all I'm going to do is apply the gel across my hairline, and then I'm going to lay the lace on top. After that, I'm taking my melting band and applying it for about 10 or 15 minutes. as the hairline is melting, I'm going to bump the ends just a little bit because the wig is already styled and it have like this bump already at the end. This hair is so soft and silky. After about 15 minutes, I removed the band and this is how it looked. I know I keep saying this, but this wig looks so natural and it's so cute. I was so excited when I took off that band, honey, and seen that melt. I applied some of my wax stick to the top and I blended it in with my comb. Okay, so this is the final look. I really like this unit. I think it is gorgeous. I'm just obsessed with this cut. The hair is so soft, so silky. If you don't have a classic bob in your collection, you should definitely pick this one up, okay? You will not regret it. It's easy to apply. Everything is done for you. All you have to do is cut the lace and apply the wig. So thank you all so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I will have a link down below in the description bar so you can go ahead and check Luvme hair out. This wig is a must-have for your collection, okay? Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.